Hello everyone, I have a very special unboxing to do today. This is for the giveaway that I will be doing in about 2 weeks for my existing followers and subscribers only. So you have about 2 weeks to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's do the unboxing. And let's go ahead and find out what it is. And the item is this cute little round coin purse from Louis Vuitton. It is only available in monogram and it is not easy to find. It has a zipper on the top with wide opening. That's the textile card. It is very cute, gorgeous. It has the LV logo in the center and the middle on both sides, which I think is very cute. It is made for coins, but you can use it to carry hair ties, pins, meds, and medications, or even earphones. So for the giveaway, I will post a video, so please don't forget to hit the notification bell on my YouTube channel so that you will get notified when I upload it. And can you see this? Someone does not know how to pack their items at Louis Vuitton. They stuffed this cute little coin purse in a tiny little box and then shipped it. But let's take a look at it again. Isn't it gorgeous? Well, something to look forward to. A lot of you have asked me how I tie the bandeau on my Apple Watch, so I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. I will also put the link to the connector on the description box down below. This one right here is another amazing thing that you can do to your Apple Watch. This is my Bandeau BB from Louis Vuitton. So what I have is I have the Apple Watch connector. I just thread it through it, and you just have to figure out which side you want to put it. I'm just gonna do it real quick, so it's not gonna be nice and neat, but then you go over it. You can leave it like this, or you can tuck it right over here, right here, underneath that one, like so. And there we go. I had it tucked underneath the rest of them earlier so that it's not flappy all over the place. I absolutely love wearing my bandeau like this. I'm thinking about getting a couple of these twirlies and scarf, whatever it's called, from different designers, so that I can wear my Apple Watch like that. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time.